See ya.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Kreamlly UHC. We're just mining. That's all we're doing.
Yeah, just mining, the usual.
We're
Um,
trying to get diamonds because we want full diamond. But
so
uh,
yeah. Apparently there's some people,
it's like
you
teams of
know,
two that have full diamond.
we
Um,
don't worry about them.
if we can just get like enchanted iron armor, like Prot 2 would be good.
We need to sniff out the diamonds. Oink oink.
Oink oink.
Smelling. Oink 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 oink. I mean, what's it called? I'm really I don't know, but this is pretty fun though, if I do say myself.
Yes, it's fun but stressful.
It's stressful. Oh my gosh, where'd you go? I turned around and you're not.
I started a different strip mine.
You went so far. Oh, I thought I found diamonds. It's just iron. Also,
Oh, I hear
I'm
water.
also
We need to find this cave.
I'm bad at poking. I don't hear water.
I hear, like right here, I hear lava and water.
I need to throw some trash away. Did I just make a second pickaxe? No.
Do you want mine? It's almost
No,
broken,
it's
but
okay.
because I'm using the diamond one.
I'm Gucci. I'm Gucci.
It's
Ugh.
so loud. Like it's right in my ear.
I don't know if I can hear it. I don't know why I can. I feel like I hear it.
Do you know how you use the C thing? It's like right underneath your
Oh,
FPS. I have no idea how to use it.
I have no idea. Oh, I hear it.
You do?
Like
Okay, good.
it's like really loud. Do you think it's above us?
I don't know.
What if it's below
Oh, it's
us?
right here. I found it.
Okay. I'll
Oh yeah,
check
you
this
go that
way.
way. I'll go this way.
Diamonds!
Oh really? Okay. Here, do
Can
you
I
want me
mine
to
it?
be like? Yeah, you can mine them.
I'm mining it.
Okay, hang on. I'm pouring water.
Oh, okay.
They're all flowing in the water. I picked them up for you. Or you're picking them up. Okay, how many do you have?
Hold on, I need my water. 15.
15? Okay, I have 27. Okay,
What can I make?
I'm gonna throw that out. I don't need that. I don't need that.
What can I make with
I
15?
don't need a boat.
Can I make a chest plate?
Yeah, make chest plates. I'll make myself one. I can't like,
Yeah. Um. Oh.
I can't open, I can't right click. Why?
Here.
No, I can't like open it. Oh, there we go.
Oh. I can make myself a diamond sword.
Yeah,
Should I do it?
I'll make myself one as well. And then I just need to
Um.
save 2. I'm gonna make myself leggings
I'm making
and
myself a
a
helmet.
helmet. I made myself leggings and a helmet.
I made myself a helmet, so I have no more diamonds.
Okay.
Give me your armor. Let me put in this. Okay, we're doing good, right? Right?
Yeah,
That means
right.
we're, I don't like that trash bin for that. We didn't check
Should
up
we go to
here.
the surface? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I almost just got burnt
What's wrong?
alive. I almost got burnt alive. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm fine and dandy. That was terrifying.
I'm fine and
I just
dandy.
like jumped into a hole and was being burned.
I don't
Almost burned
I don't
alive.
want to risk finding anyone.
We can just like hide. Do
I
you
mean,
want to stay? And
you're
I'll go up?
basically full diamond.
Yeah. I'm 1 bar off from full diamond. And I have a diamond sword.
Yeah, me
Oh, there's
too.
another cave.
Let's just
Oh, there's a
check
creeper.
if it's like night or day outside. You know what I
Don't
mean?
go that way.
When you're like, don't go that way, and then they start heading. Well, I think yeah. Let's just surface. We need leather anyway, so we'll just.
Block it off behind us so we don't.
Yeah, I got you.
Nothing comes up here. Okay, what biome? We're in plains, so we're like 10 blocks away from the surface. I
We're
think that's
probably
good.
not even. We're probably not even close to 0, 0.
I don't think we are.
I don't think we
no,
are
we're not.
either.
We're like 1,000 blocks away. We're like 1,100 blocks away.
Good thing border isn't here.
Okay, we're like 6 blocks away from the surface.
I bet like everyone's just praising. No, it's just like, hey.
We should be at the. Oh yeah, we're here. Let's mine this out.
I'm like seriously like blocking this. I'm not even kidding.
Okay, it's nighttime.
Aw, do you really?
Kill chickens.
Wait, I'm turning off my sky. I don't like having my sky.
Kill chickens. If you see cows, kill them. We need leather.
Oh, there's a village.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. The blacksmith could have diamonds in it.
There's cows.
There are. Okay, get them all. Oh, there's books as well. We can enchant books. I wanted to enchant books because I don't want to like have to make 2 diamond swords.
Oh, so then we don't need leather then. Much.
Oh, there's okay. There's a library. I'm gonna grab all the books.
Be careful. There still might be people. There's no blacksmith.
Oh,
I don't see one.
Well, I have 21 books. Yeah, 21. So, yeah, so we don't even need leather. There's also zombies. Let's.
I'm about to get these. Wait, can I get this? I'm getting these books.
There's more books? Okay, great.
Look.
I'm like in a village house right now.
Are you enchanting?
Yeah, I'm about to make it. Oh my goodness. And then like that.
Wow, we're enchanted.
Okay.
I mean, I'm getting cows anyways because I need food.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna start like enchanting. Oh, efficiency. I don't need that. Sharpness.
I'm blocking up our door.
Okay.
And our windows.
Protection.
Because I saw someone in Flux. It happened in Flux. What happened in Flux? In Flux UHC. Oh my gosh, you're like right next to the. I'm watching, just in case.
Okay. Oh my gosh, don't break the windows. It scared me really bad. Okay, can you place down the anvil?
Okay. I'm gonna enchant now.
Okay, I'm gonna
No, that's bad.
Oh, that's efficiency.
That's
Sharpness. Okay, I have sharpness 2. So my sword does 9.5 damage.
Wait, don't mine it yet.
I'm not gonna mine it. I have to enchant more. My armor's not enchanted. I'm gonna place a chest down for like crap. Just gonna put a bunch of stuff in there.
Can you enchant a book for me? Just one book.
Yeah.
Wait, actually, no. It's fine. Here, do you need... Here, I have a power book for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, there's another power. Okay, I will have a power 2 bow.
I have sharpness 2.
Knockback. Yeah, I have sharpness 2 as well. Okay, power.
I have a pot 2 chest plate.
Okay. Do you want another sharpness book?
Yeah, please.
Okay, there you go. You need a sharpness 2 book to make your sword a sharpness 3.
Yeah. I'll make another one. Oh, don't have enough. If you can get me another sharpness one, that would be good. I'm gonna get another.
Okay, I have another
For...
sharpness.
Alright.
And I have another sharpness. And I have another sharpness. Oh, I don't have any levels left.
Okay.
I'm gonna need to go grab some levels. I don't know where, but I'll just like.
Let's go caving. Let's go caving. Let's go caving.
No, okay. Bring the stuff with you though.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay, I'm gonna grab.
Alright, Anvils,
there's like a bunch of. There's 3. I'm not leaving that. Grab that and that.
I wanna go caving because it's night out and I don't want.
And that and that.
Here.
Okay. Yeah, let's go caving. Oh my gosh, you scared me.
I think we strike gold.
I think
with this village.
I can make a sharpness 3. Oh, there's an Enderman. There's a cave over here.
I can make a sharpness 3 too.
Okay.
I could.
Oh, there's another chicken up there. Okay. Oh,
wait, are these cobblestone man-made?
Probably.
So someone's been here.
Well, it's like, I don't know how they'd make that, though. What?
Is it us? No. There's someone. Someone's been here. There's a crafting table. I don't like it. I don't want to be here.
Okay, well, that doesn't mean that somebody's coming back here. This
what
could
if
be like where we started. And no, it's not.
This is definitely not where we started.
Okay, well, this could definitely...
Wait, don't mind that coal.
Oh my god, there's a creeper. Why can't I mine the coal?
No, I was gonna jump on that coal.
Oh.
Just stay shifted, because at this point I feel there could still be potential people in this cave, and I'm not ready to deal with people.
Able to kill them, though.
I'm not ready though. I'm too nervous. Don't drop like that. That like scared me.
Hey, remember when I mined down into lava?
Do not do that. Ever again.
It's a good thing because I just like placed the water and then I was fine. And I didn't like lose any hearts. I think I lost like 2 hearts.
Just 2 hearts.
Just 2 hearts. Oh, I'm starving.
Okay, I'm coming your way.
Okay. Why don't you come my way? I might like do my protection before I get sharpness 3. But I don't know. Because I want like full prot 2, but that's not gonna like... Because I need lots of levels.
Yeah. I have level 5.
I'm kind of like ignoring the... I'm kind of like ignoring the coal. Because iron gives you more.
I mean, you could still get potential, like... No. I mean...
You could, but if there's iron around, I just go for that. Oh, yep, I found more cobblestone. Oh no, I think this is where we were. I think this is where we staircase down. Because it's just like a bunch of blocks. Okay, can you place down the
But we never staircase.
Oh, Emma's dying. Goodbye, Emma. Oh, she's eating apples. Oh, she's not going down without a fight. Okay, place the...
She's not fighting anyone.
She's probably like in lava.
She probably was.
Okay, can you place down the...
Oh, this was when we staircased.
Yeah. Can you place down the anvil and the whatchamacallit? The enchantment table.
The whatchamacallit? The enchant... Where are you?
I'm right here. Well, you just walked away from me. Thank you. Oh, it's almost broken.
Yeah. I can get sharpness 3 soon.
Okay, I have full prot. Wait, do you have any diamonds left?
No, I have none. I used it on my diamond.
Okay.
In my chestplate and my helmet. What was that book that you dropped?
Efficiency.
Ew.
Ew.
Gross. Oh, I thought that was a person.
Okay, I need 5 levels and then I can get sharpness 3. Oh, okay, bye
Oh,
everybody.
that's the end.